I really don't try to predict. I just try to react. I think that's a much better strategy to take.
Forex Morning Mayhem is a must-listen podcast for currency traders. Get a curated watch list, insightful market analysis, and crucial news updates, plus trading tips for all levels. But remember, it's educational, not investment advice. Scan the QR code in the description to join our free Trade Faction Slack channel for live trade calls. If you like the podcast, please follow and share. Let's get started. Good morning, everyone. It's Monday, March 24th, 2025, and you're listening to Forex Morning Mayhem. It's time for the daily market briefing. In today's headlines, Trump is planning a more targeted tariff approach dubbed Liberation Day. European stocks initially rose, but gains were limited by mixed Asian markets and Eurozone trade uncertainty. The US dollar dipped amid trade-focused macro sentiment. Treasury yields are down due to positive risk. Sentiment following reports of the revised tariff plans. Oil prices are fluctuating, while metals show slight gains. Key events to watch include US PMIs and speeches from central bankers Bailey, Jones, Bostic, and Barr. Stay tuned for a currency market update with Bill and Dave up next. Thanks for listening to Forex Morning Mayhem. Don't forget to subscribe and leave us a review if you like the show.
Okay, let's take a look at the currency pairs. Here is the Aussie New Zealand dollar. It is in a downtrend in the zone, and we are waiting for a short sweet spot to set up. Euro Canadian dollar. This one's now in a downtrend in the zone, so we're just waiting for a sweet spot here. US Canadian dollar, we are in a downtrend in the zone, waiting for a short sweet spot. US Swiss Franc in an uptrend in the zone, waiting for a sweet spot to form. So what was that? Like three are looking to set up maybe?
Yeah, maybe.
The whole last week was really quiet. Didn't even get a single signal out of this.
Not going the right direction.
Yeah, exactly. So today, Dave, for finale of our Back to Basics, I wanted to talk to you about your favorite topic,
Oh, that's
support and resistance. I like to view these trading strategies.
yeah,
It's like religions, right? You've got the
pretty much.
technical analysts, which is what we covered all before, but the people that do support and resistance, this is what I would call price action trading.
Okay. Yeah, I'd go with that.
All right. That's
Yeah, yeah.
that's what people like to call it, or at least I think that's right. That's really different because you're not depending on any kind of technical indicator whatsoever. You're basically looking at where pricing stops and starts from. Okay. So let's start with a few definitions. Support is a price level where buying interest is strong. Yes. Support is an area where price stops going down and starts to go back up. Okay.
Yep.
Some people call it a floor, etc. So a trader who is a price action trader, their strategy would be if they saw this kind of thing forming, they would probably take a long position, taking a chance that prices are going to start to go up. As you can see, that isn't always the case. You also
Mhm.
have to have a good risk management strategies when your idea does not work out. Resistance is the same thing except in reverse. Price has gone up to a spot and then bounces off of it, except there's that one time when, oof, It breaks through the ceiling of the house, and you got to be on the lookout for that. Also, why you need a good risk management strategy.
I call this marriage.
Marriage. Why do you call it
This
marriage?
is marriage fate. Think about it. You have what happens when you go down to the floor. It's like they want to spend more. It's strong buying power. What
Uh,
do? Resist.
yeah, I guess that's right. That's right.
And it's basically the cat and the mouse game. Whoever wins, that's what breaks through.
Oh my God. So true.
So
Anyway,
that's why it makes sense to me.
so some concepts that people are used to, words, lingo. People
Mhm.
use lingo to describe different things in different disciplines. So here's some trading lingo.
All
Uh,
right, hit me up with it.
breaking support. What that means is that prices will further decline. This is the perfect example of breaking support. Bounced off of this a bunch of times and then finally breaks through the floor. Breaking resistance, that's the opposite. That's like what we see here. And it suggests if you break resistance, prices are going to continue to rise. Levels or zones, okay? That's what
Mm.
people are talking about with, oh, it's going to go to this level and then it's going to do that. I really don't try to predict. I just try to react. I think that's a much better strategy to take. I used to trade like this. It works. It really
Mhm.
works. It sure makes your life a lot less complicated if you look at the chart. It's very easy to see and understand. Cool. All
Feels
right.
okay. All right, boss.